This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to report a review or list on Letterboxd. So whatever you need to report for, you can do it just by coming to a review. I'll just quickly find a review right here. Let's click on this review. So just a random review of this person here. I'm not actually going to report this review, but what you would do is from the top, you will scroll down to the bottom. So you can do this whether you're on the app, whether you're on mobile. I'm just here on desktop to show you, but the principle is the same. And you'll see this little flag right here. So you can click there. You can actually block this member directly if you need to do that for whatever reason, or you can click on report this review if you believe that obviously it's worth reporting, like they've broken some kind of rule or something. Maybe they've got like, I don't know, an affiliate link in there or something, or they've said some sort of hate speech or something. Yeah, you can report this review right there just by clicking on the flag. So you've got the block and you have the report right there. You can of course do this for comments as well, your own comments, on your own reviews, or your own lists and other people's comments that you see as well on their reviews. So you can do that. And let's say you want a list. Let's show you how to do this. So here's a random list. This is one of the main Letterboxd featured lists. This is David Fincher's favorite films right here. So same principle applies. Actually, the flag is at the top on lists. So you can hover over the flag for block and report. You can directly block the member if you need to do that. And you can report the list just by clicking report this list. So really helpful. That was a quick short version of how to report on Letterboxd. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.